In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily back up and export your Slack workspace data step by step. To get started, open your web browser, head over to Slack, and sign in with an account that has administrator or workspace owner permissions. This is important because the export option is only available to accounts with the right level of access. If you're using a regular member account, you may not see the settings you need for this process. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner of the Slack window and click on your workspace name. This will open the main menu where you'll find several options related to managing your workspace. From there, move your cursor over Settings and Administration. A sub-menu will appear. In that sub-menu, click on Workspace Settings. This will take you to the area where Slack stores the main administrative settings for your workspace. When the settings page opens, look toward the top right corner. You should see a button labeled Import or Export Data. Go ahead and click that button to continue. This is the section where Slack lets you either bring data into the workspace or create a backup by exporting existing data. Next, select the Export tab near the top of the page. Make sure you're on the Export section since that's where you'll choose what data you want to back up. After that, click the Export Date Range drop-down menu. Here, you can choose the time frame you want to export. For example, if you want a complete backup, you can select All Time. If you only need a specific period, choose the range that best matches your needs. Taking a moment to confirm the date range can help you avoid exporting too much or too little data. Once your selection is made, click the green Start Export button. Slack will then begin generating your backup file. Depending on the amount of workspace data, this may take a little time, so be patient while the export is prepared. Now, wait for Slack to finish processing the file. Keep an eye on your notifications because Slack may alert you through email or a Slack bot message when the export is ready. That notification will include the link you need. Finally, click the link in the notification to download the zip file containing your exported workspace data. Be sure to save it somewhere secure and easy to find, especially if you may need it later for record keeping or recovery purposes. And that's all it takes to safely back up your Slack workspace. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.